This is the 5x5 board which we sell on Amazon and eBay. You can see there is a backlight glowing, and this switches off the light. When all the lights are off, there is a LED rotation going on the board. This LED rotation can also be started or stopped as per your wish. Now I switch on the light. You can see it is a touch button, and this is the master remote which comes with the unit. And this board is having a very beautiful feature where if you misplace the master remote, you can still operate the board with the help of some other remote. Say this is some other remote, this is say a LG AC remote. I can, if you are having a TV remote also, that will also help you. Suppose this master remote is misplaced and now you want to run this board with the help of this remote. Suppose this is a light and I want to run this light with the help of this button. You keep press this light for 6 to 8 seconds. It will go into the programming mode. It will switch on and switch off quite say twice or 3 times. It has gone into the programming mode, you can see. Now this is the secondary remote. When P is flashing, you press the button whichever you like. Suppose this is the button I want to program. I press it for once, here comes 1. I press it for second time, here comes 2. You have to press it for 7 times, and when you press it for the 7th time, see what comes on the board. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you press it for the 7th time, see what is coming. I press it for the 7th, a U is coming. U means it has been updated. Now this button will also operate this switch. Similarly, if you want to configure this button for some other remote and you want to run, you keep it pressed. Now it has gone into the programming mode. Suppose this is the button I would like for this switch to turn on and off. You press it for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you press it for the 7th time, you have to see what is coming on the board. Again a U means this board is understanding what I am sending. It is understanding the codes of this remote. Now this remote will switch on the third light also. And similarly, if you want to stop this rotating light, you have to use master remote. Other remotes cannot stop this rotating. You have to keep pressed all on button for 7 seconds. When it goes into the programming mode, then press the all off button. It will stop the rotation of the light. Do it again and it will start the rotation of the light.